So far what we have done is we have assumed that we know the population standard deviation sigma x. Okay. So when we know the population standard deviation sigma x, we can calculate the test statistic, the z-test statistic, using the formula x bar minus mu sub 0 divided by sigma x over the square root of n, right? And once you have calculated the test statistic, you're going to be using the z table to come up with decision rules. Right? And remember that the z table is just the standard normal probabilities table. Okay. Now the problem here is most of the time we don't have access to the population, and so we're not going to have the population standard deviation, right? So we're going to now relax that assumption. So we want to know what happens if the population standard deviation sigma x is unknown. Okay. So if the population standard deviation sigma x is unknown, our test statistic will become the t-test statistic, and the t-test statistic is equal to x bar minus mu sub 0 divided by sx over the square root of n, right? Where sx is the sample standard deviation. So the standard deviation of the sample. And instead of using the z table, we're going to be using the t table with n minus 1 degrees of freedom to establish the decision rules. Okay. We'll look at a few examples in the next few videos.